Katika nchi za bara la Afrika, utakubaliana na mimi, ulaghai na ufisadi ni jina ambalo halikosi kwenye midomo yetu. Ila Jamhuri ya Kenya imekita mizizi katika jambo hili. Ulaghai, iwe ni ndani ya serikali au nje ya serikali, nchi ya Kenya imetajwa nambari 3 ulimwenguni katika nchi zenye ulaghai zaidi na ufisadi duniani. Kisa cha Njeri kimefumbua mengi kuhusiana na serikali ya Jamhuri ya Kenya, jinsi ambavyo kila kukicha mafuta na petroli zinaendelea kupanda bei. Mtaniruhusu nibadili dimi kidogo nipate kuwaeleza aswa kisa chake mwanamke huyu tajiri ambaye kwa sasa ijulikani alipo, jinsi ambavyo kimeweza kufumbua mengi kuhusiana na nini aswa kimekuwa kikiendelea katika serikali ya Jamhuri ya Kenya. How the missing billionaire who imported Kenya shillings 17 billion oil exposed a corrupt oil cartel in Kenya. According to reports, Njeri is a simple woman who is making a living by importing diesel from abroad. She had no idea that her venture would put her in the crosshairs of a powerful and ruthless oil cartel that operates in Kenya. She also did not know that her ship carrying a consignment worth Kenya shillings 17 billion was being used as a cover for illegal oil siphoning activities in the high seas. Njeri disappeared days ago after she was arrested by the DCI for questioning over her source of wealth and the legitimacy of her import papers. A lawyer, Cliff Ombeta, claims that he does not know where she is and that a ship is currently heading towards India against a court order that directed it to dock the port of Mombasa. According to a report by The Standard, Njeri's ship was hijacked by a group of people who have links with the DCI and the oil cartel. They used the ship to siphon oil from other vessels in the Indian Ocean and then sold it in the black market. The report also alleges that the DCI and the cartel have been colluding to sabotage Njeri's case and to take over a consignment. Njeri's story has exposed the dark side of the oil market and industry in Kenya, where corruption, crime and violence are rampant. Her fate remains unknown as she is caught in a web of lies, deceit and greed. She is a victim of a system that does not protect the innocent but rather exploits them for personal gain. In regards to the publication by the Standard Digital, Njeri's whereabouts still a mystery amid claims of shillings 17 billion oil may have been siphoned. For now, that's what we have, and Kenyans are leaving out their comments in regards to Njeri's story. And reading a few comments. Adams Williams says, Njeri, no regret. The same people used to sing si uchawi ni maombi. Now let the ignorance of your song kill you. We don't care. After all, it's from your kingpin so-called. Shauri zenu huko. Anathoania says mpaka Kikuyus wananyang'anywa mafuta point blank. Hope the lady is safe. Mwingine anasema Kikuyus are now being dealt with by Kalenjins, watamalizwa. Just for DX says, when I try to follow up on what is happening with the petroleum business in the country, it becomes difficult to know where the truth of the matter lies. The day Ugandans withdrawn the same business with our country, the cartels in the petroleum business are the one who have crippled the economy. What is your take in regards to this story? Maoni yako kulingana na kisa cha Njeri ni yapi? Achia maoni yako kwenye comment section. Tuungane katika video zetu zijazo. Hii ni FM Showcase.